Men's Open Division. Congratulations to the 2023 TCS New York City Marathon champion, Hellen Obiri of Kenya, finishing at 2:27:23 for the Women Pro Division, and Tamirat Tola of Ethiopia, who set a course record time of 2:03 and 58 seconds for the Men's Pro Division. So we are congratulating them upon their win, and then getting to the comment section to see what others think. One is saying it was amazing to watch, especially the women's race. Another one saying photos of wheelchair division. Another one, a pride for the birthday runner to watch. Another one, you're upset, wanted to follow my friends, but the app clashes every time when I open it. Not so cool. So what do you say about this marathon? We congratulate, that is Ethiopia and Kenya, for emerging victorious. That is for the men marathon and the women marathon. I love you so much, guys. Have a lovely one. God bless you. Bye bye and ciao ciao.